Hey everyone, are you a parent who would like to support your child's development in the best possible way? And would you like to access a quick, easy technique to improve their behavior and build their self-esteem and help with lots and lots of childhood issues? Then Sleep Talk may be the answer for you. Hi, I'm Kuhu, founder and coach at the Junction. I'm a mom myself, and I'm an early childhood educator and an energy healer. So with my background into parenting issues and as well as energy work and healing, in this video, I'm going to talk about very briefly about sleep talk. So it is an awesome parenting tool that I've been using with my own son since he was born. And I have used it for many issues like potty training, behavioral issues, handling tantrums, separation anxiety, weaning from breastfeeding, putting to sleep, building self-esteem, eating issues and whatnot. And this can be used, sleep talk can be used for children till they are like 12 or 13 years of age. So however magical it seems, it does have a strong backing of a reason why it works. But before we go on to why it works, let us first understand how exactly it works. So how to do sleep talk. I have received many messages and comments on elaborating what exactly is sleep talk. So this is the much awaited video. So in sleep talk, when your child is asleep, within 15 minutes of falling asleep, you talk aloud with your child, not whisper or something. Really talk aloud as if you are talking to your child if he's awake. And you talk about positive affirmations within 15 minutes when your child is asleep. Now, don't bother if you think that your 6-month-old cannot understand the language that you are talking. The intent and the energy is what really matters. So go ahead and talk to your child as if he was really listening to you and understanding that. So one very important thing is no negative statements. Talk about what you want to see in your child. Do not talk about what you do not want to see in your child. Just an example. For example, if A is the name of your child, and if you want him to help settle down in the school, then you would say something like these affirmations. A is happily going to school. A knows that mama is always there for him and mama loves him. A understands that there will be a lot of friends in the school and he will have lots of fun, and mama will come to pick him up when the school is done. So something on these lines. So notice here that I have not talked about A is not crying in the school, A is something like that. I'm not talking about what is not to be done. You always talk about positive affirmations, what your child should be doing. So, and it is really a very important step and a very difficult step, because I get a lot of messages from parents saying this is the issue now. How do I convert them into positive affirmations? It's really very simple. We all are so used to thinking negative terms, that don't do this, don't do that. So you need to sit down and think what behavior you want your child to exhibit, and that's what you talk in the sleep talk. Now I think you get the drill, right? Now, they say that it takes 21 days to build a certain habit, which essentially means that if a certain practice or a belief is practiced for 21 consecutive days, it goes into your subconscious mind and becomes a part of your belief system, or it becomes a habit, right? Now, when the kids have just slept, their brain waves are in a very receptive state. And when you say something to them at that time, those words directly go into their subconscious mind, and that really helps. And that is the reason sleep talk works, right? Even if you do not have any issues to correct in your child, you can still use sleep talk to help boost your child's self-esteem by saying something like these lines. A is loved by mama papa and loved by his family members. A is safe and protected in this world. A is a healthy child. A is a gentle and kind soul. Something on these lines, something positive. So that's what sleep talk is all about. So I hope this clears a lot of questions that I've been getting from parents all this while, and I hope this video helps. And all the social connects of the Junction are in the video description. And if you like this video and if you think that this will help certain other parents, feel free to share it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.